Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's Macaris Cakes here, and I'm super excited to have you all here on my channel. So guys, from the thumbnail you could tell what this video is all about, and in this video guys I'll be sharing with you all how to make a yogurt parfait. So are you interested to learn how to make this yogurt parfait? Then you should definitely keep on watching this video to the end and do not go away. So these are my ingredients here. I have my sliced apples or diced apples. I also have the coconut flakes. I have my almond nuts, and I also have my granola. Okay, and also I have my Greek yogurt as well. So this is a Greek yogurt. I am using a sweetened yogurt for this parfait. Please be notified that you can as well use unsweetened Greek yogurt to make this parfait. Okay, so guys, I want you all to pay attention to this video and watch it to the end. So the first step you need to do is take some quantity of Greek yogurt. As you can see on the label, that's my product guys. I sell Greek yogurt. I make it by myself from start to finish. Anything Greek yogurt, granola, I make them by myself. So the first thing you need to do is take some quantity of Greek yogurt and put it in a plate. You can see how creamy this yogurt is, and guys, trust me, this yogurt is so delicious. Like guys, there's no words to describe the taste of this yogurt. And do you really want to learn how to make yogurt? Just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so to make this parfait, I'm going to take some quantity of this Greek yogurt and put it in a piping bag, and then watch how I'm going to make this Greek yogurt the easiest way. So if you know how to make cake parfait normally, then it's just the same process. So this is my granola here. You can see how lovely this granola is, and I made it myself. Okay, so do you want to learn how to make granola? Drop your comments in the comment section. Okay, so that's the granola here, and I'm going to use that to make my yogurt parfait. So after putting your Greek yogurt in a piping bag, that's the easiest way for you to achieve a neat parfait. Well, some people actually use spoon, why some people do not use spoon, but for me I feel like piping bag is the most easiest way for me. So guys, before I continue, have you subscribed to my channel? If you're new here for the first time on my channel, you're welcome. And to my oldie, thank you so much for always returning back and to watch my videos. And so it's time to make the parfait guys. You can see how yummy that granola is. So once again, I asked, do you want to learn how to make granola? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so this is how to make the parfait guys. Firstly, I have to put my creamy Greek yogurt in the cup, and after that, the next layer I'm going to do is adding some quantity of granola. Please, once again, be notified that when you're making a yogurt parfait, you need to be generous with your yogurt. That's why it's yogurt parfait, because if you're packing just lots of granola inside the yogurt or inside the cup, then you're not adding a little bit of yogurt. Trust me, your clients or your customers will not enjoy it. As you can see, I'm being so much generous with my Greek yogurt. So after that, you just have to keep on doing it layers by layers. Guys, isn't this yummy? Like, where are all my Fit Farm lovers? Like, where are you guys? Where are thou? What you say though? Oh my god guys, I'm really having fun making this video. So guys, this is the Greek yogurt, or this is my parfait. So I'm going to garnish it with some yummy sweetened coconut flakes. Yes, this coconut flakes is delicious, so amazing, perfect for yogurt parfait. So yeah, that's what I'm doing guys, and it's very important you do this. Some people garnish with grape, but for me this video I use almond nuts, I use coconut flakes, and I also use apples. So once again guys, have you guys subscribed to my channel? Have you subscribed? Have you liked this video? Have you While you're busy watching it, just click on that like button. Nothing will happen to you. If you are a newbie, subscribe right away. Nothing will happen. It's your own way of supporting me on this channel, I'm telling you. So just smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bell so that I can always be the first person to get notified whenever I'm uploading any video. So guys, this is the second Greek yogurt I am making. Sorry, the second yogurt parfait I'm making. Also guys, if you're really interested to learn how to make Greek yogurt and how to make granola, there's an online course currently going on right now. So I'm going to put the payment link on the description box of this video. So please check it out and register for this class. The price is 7,500 if you're in Nigeria. For my Ghanaian lovers, Tanzania and the likes of it, those in the US or wherever you are, there's a description link that is easier for you where you can just easily make your payments and then you get access to the class. So trust me guys, you need to learn how to make this. This is another side hustle that you can use to earn more money for your income. Like guys, are you not loving this? Are you not loving how creamy, how sweet, how delicious? Like from the video you can even be salivating right now. So just check the link on the description of this video and register for this course. Also guys, before I go off from this video, please do not forget to watch ads on this video. Please, it's very important you guys watch ads for me. That's the only way I get paid on this YouTube. Even if you watch for 40 seconds or 1 minute, it's something guys. So please, I beg you, I just that's your own support you can give me on this channel. Okay, thank you so much for that. So this is the yogurt parfait guys. Like I said before, you can garnish with cherries as well. Okay, so guys, that's the yogurt parfait. Are you not loving this? Are you not liking this? This is my hustle, and trust me guys, I'm making good money, like 6 figures selling yogurt parfait. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to your comments in the comment section. Share your thoughts with me of what you think about this video. Do you like it? Give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you all so much. I love you guys. Bye. Also guys, follow me on Instagram to get to see more inspirational content from me. See ya.